Welcome to this week's edition of Public Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, the U.S. FDA has approved the first blood test for Alzheimer's disease. Developed by Fuji-Rebio, the test detects proteins associated with amyloid plaques, key indicators of Alzheimer's. It presents a less invasive and more accessible diagnostic alternative to traditional brain scans or spinal taps. The test is designed to aid in early diagnosis, supporting timely interventions with treatments like lecanemab and donanemab. It is intended for use alongside clinical assessments, particularly in patients showing early signs of cognitive decline. In a major public health win, RSV-related hospitalizations among infants have plummeted thanks to new preventatives. Pfizer's Abrysvo and AstraZeneca and Sanofi's monoclonal antibody, nirsevimab, have collectively reduced hospitalizations by up to 71% in young infants. Emergency rooms noted a trend toward milder cases this season. However, older children remain affected, reinforcing the targeted success of these new preventive therapies. In sleep health, a novel oral drug, AD109 by Apnimed, shows promise for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea. In the Phase 3 SYN-AIR-G trial, the drug met all primary endpoints. Approximately 22.3% of participants achieved full disease control, and no serious adverse events were reported. Unlike CPAP machines, AD109 targets the neuromuscular causes of OSA. A new drug application is anticipated in 2026. A recent study has linked prolonged sitting post-heart attack to increased cardiovascular risk. Patients sitting for more than 14 hours daily were 3 times more likely to experience further complications. Conversely, incorporating even light daily activity cut the risk by up to 61%. The year-long study used wrist monitors to track over 600 patients, underlining that even modest lifestyle changes can significantly enhance recovery outcomes. Hitting the snooze button may be quietly disrupting sleep health. Analysis of over 3 million sessions from the Sleep Cycle app shows that users may be losing up to 6 hours of sleep each month due to repeated snoozing. These individuals often exhibit irregular sleep schedules and chronic sleep debt. Experts advise limiting alarms to 1 wake-up time for improved sleep quality and consistency. Biogen's Alzheimer's treatment, Leqembi, may receive a significant boost from a new diagnostic blood test. Fuji-Rebio's LumiPulse could streamline patient selection, acting as a rule-out tool rather than a definitive diagnostic method. Analysts note that broader adoption may depend on lab certification and insurance reimbursement. Eisai forecasts $400 million in Leqembi sales by 2026, supported by easier diagnosis and new formulations. Vitamin D may slow biological aging. A sub-study from the VITAL trial reports that vitamin D reduced telomere shortening, an established marker of cellular aging, translating to a potential 3-year delay in biological aging over a 4-year period. Omega-3s, by contrast, showed no such effect. The findings are promising, though further research is needed for confirmation. Finally, an older epilepsy drug is offering renewed hope in mental health. Ezogabine, traditionally used for seizures, has shown the ability to calm overactive brain circuits involved in reward and motivation. The drug helped relieve anhedonia and depressive symptoms, suggesting a new class of antidepressants targeting brain electrical activity. Further clinical validation is still needed. Stay ahead in public health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert health